Hello once again, fellow modelers. I've got another little goodie to show you for our beloved Trumpeter 1/200 scale Titanic. Now last video I showed you some more of Titanic The Magnificent. I showed you the cargo covers, cargo hatch covers. Today we're going to switch gears and we're going to go for the lifeboats. I want to show you guys the instructions for the lifeboats. And you can see they have all the insides and the details, but they go on the ship and you can see the collapsibles, and they're put onto the davits, and they don't have covers that go on. So what I did was I got an aftermarket kit that has actual canvas that covers all of the lifeboats, and that's from Titanic The Magnificent. And this is actually, well, let me go ahead and I'm going to take them out of the plastic bag and I'll show you how many there are. Okay, so I took them out of the bag, and as you can see there are 16 of them. Let me show you how it's pretty nice because they look weathered, the edges, and they're actually canvas. And let me show you one of the actual lifeboats. Actually, let me go ahead. I'm going to take one off and I'll show you guys properly. Okay, so what I did was I just took one off of the tree real quickly, just to kind of use as an example. And you take the canvas cover, you can put it right on top. Again, you can make it a little more attractive, like I'll do when I actually glue them into place. But I'm thinking I'm not going to glue them. I'm going to figure out a way where I can still maybe use some string and figure out how I can still remove them. I'll figure something out. I got a ways to go before I'm ready to put the lifeboats on, as you can see. So, you can see the little lifeboat, and it's got the little hatch. It'll be hanging off the davit. And they do fit well. It's just my big clumsy hands trying to place it. There we go. Actually in focus. And that's another little goodie that I got from Titanic The Magnificent. I got more from them than I thought I did. You got the hatch covers, the lifeboat canvas covers, the clear bulkheads to reinforce the hull. What else? The private promenade deck. And again, I know I'm forgetting something, but there was other things that I had gotten from them. And I want to thank William and Linnea for their kind words when I had gotten the shipment in. It's always nice. And again, these are nice. These are really nice. They're canvas. You can see they're like charred on the edges to look like they've been weathered a little bit. So if you'd want to put a little bit of maybe touch-up paint or just the way they are would be fine. Maybe I'll do a little bit of weathering. Because think about it, these are exposed to the air in the ocean, salt air, so they'd have a little bit of weathering, I would suppose. Oh, by the way, I want to thank them for sending me, I almost forgot, they sent me some film. I love the films. Let me see. I know it's going to be tough to see, but let me see if I can If anybody out there knows how I can film these things, could you let me know? But I'm trying to show you guys what's on here, and I can't really tell. But that's one, and they sent me 3 of them. And that looks like the morning after the Carpathia is coming to pick up the survivors. That's really cool. Try to zoom in on a Carpathia, but no. I gotta get a better camera. I really need a better camera. Anyway, that's awesome. I love that. And the last one, I can't really tell what that is. But thank you so much. I love the little added goodies that we get. And the film from the motion picture Titanic is just really, really fun to have in that collection. So I'm always on the lookout for little accessories to go with the Trumpeter 1/200 scale Titanic. And these were the canvas covers that actually go on top of all the lifeboats. And again, I showed you guys the lifeboats and the instructions for the lifeboats. And they have the little inserts. Now, they don't have covers in the kit for these. I don't remember if the Pontos detail set has little covers that are photo etch. I'm not sure. I don't remember. But these would be better than photo etch because these are actually canvas. You can see they fit. They cut to fit right on the boat. So once you put in a little insert with the seats, then you can put on the canvas top. And it fits right on. And put the little bit of detail, maybe some of the string that I would put on, or thread to make it look like the sides of the actual lifeboat being tied down. There's all kinds of fun things that we can do with this. But this is just another little goodie for the Titanic Trumpeter model that's going to just bring it out. And when you get something this amazing, you want to put as much detail to bring it out as possible. And that's just another one of the little goodies that I found on eBay. And this is Titanic The Magnificent. And again, it was $10 for this kit. You can't beat that. For little canvas covers to put onto the lifeboats, $10. It's really cool, and they look great. And especially when they're glued on and everything is in place and it's detailed and weathered, it's just going to look so cool. But that's another little goodie for the Titanic.